Earth was treated as the living organism, and Earth was just like the patient, and its condition was becoming bad to worst. Means the symptoms of bad health were coming in front of the people or in front of the society. So this was the moral duty of all the people, that they should take place, or they should be more responsible for the betterment of the earth, or for the good environment of the earth, because this is the legacy. Because we have to give healthy, this is our duty to give healthy earth to our coming generation. So if we are making any development, we should make, no doubt, but at the same time we must make sustainable development. Means the development that is full of cooperation, that is full of sharing all the resources. We should not try to control, or we should not try to use all the resources only for our betterment. We must be ready to use this, as well as to conserve this for the coming generation. So this was the thought which came in the mind of the people, that we must have the sustainable or proper development, because this is our duty to save the earth for the coming generation. And in Zambia, one zoo is there in at Lusaka. So one cave is there, and one notice board is hanging, on which it is written that the world most dangerous animal is there. So people become curious, and they go to the cave just to see. Let us see who is the most dangerous animal of the earth. But do you know, surprisingly, one mirror is hanging there, in which our own reflection can be seen. So the authorities of the zoo just want to tell the people that human beings, or we people, are the most dangerous animal of the world, because we are harming our earth for our greed. No doubt earth is having to satisfy the need of all people, but not the greed of the people. So this is our duty, that we should not dominate it, we should not try to control it only for ourselves, but we should be ready, or we should be ready to share with the other organism also. Means like the animals and other creatures found on the earth. And we all know that scientists have made the long list of so many species found on the earth, and these are about 14 millions, and many millions are still not known to the people or to the scientists. Means many are living in darkness, even we are not aware of them. It means that we human beings are not only existing on this earth, other species are also here found. So this is our duty to give them space. We should not control the whole earth and the whole resources. And Mr. L.K. Jha, he has written one report regarding the environment, and he said, are we to leave our successor a scorched planet of advancing deserts? Means he just wants to say that, are we going to hand over a sick or unhealthy planet, or the planet that has been totally destroyed by us? Are we going to give or hand over this type of planet to our coming generation? No, this is bad. So he also just want to advise us that we should not ail our planet, we should not make sick our planet. Already it has been, so this is our duty to make it healthy. And Mr. Lester Brown, he has written one book, The Global Economic Prospect, and in this book he has told that our means the world is having four main biological system. These are fisheries, forest, fisheries means marine life, and or the fish. Forest means the woods and the grassland, and the cropland means the agricultural land. So all these four systems are the uh, base or backbone of our economy of the world. But when these are disturbed because of our greediness, because the people are catching more and more fish just to make lot of money, or some people who are hungry for the protein they are catching, and some people are cutting the forest because they need fuel. So on the name of fuel or burning wood they are cutting the forest, or on the name of making roads and constructing buildings, making cities. So grassland and the agricultural lands have been destroyed. So this is not good for our environment, because our fisheries have been going day by day, they are going to decrease, forests are going to disappear, and the grassland have been converted into wasteland. This is not good for the economy of the world as well as for India also. And Mr. Mayor also said that if we are going to cut the trees in this way, that would be very dangerous for our animals, because so many species already have been extinct and many are in endangered. So this is our duty to protect them. We have to provide them dwelling, we have to provide them forest where they can survive.